Hello, everyone. Welcome to this episode of Thoughts on Education. We have Asim sir with us today. Thank you, sir, for your time and presence on our platform. Before going ahead with this interview, would you please like to introduce yourself to our audience?
Yes, I am Professor Dr. Asim Kumar Samanto. I am the principal of Bardhaman Homeopathic Medical College and Hospital, Bardhaman, West Bengal.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. So, going ahead with our interview, my first question to you would be, being the principal of the college, what is your philosophy of leadership? How would you describe your leadership style?
Actually, being the principal, the main duty to maintain the academic environment and the administrative environment, and as the college and hospital, so we have to maintain the hospital. This college, to maintain this college, we have to follow the certain guidelines, that we have to take the academic environment regarding classes of the all teachers and classes of the all year, first year, second year, third year, fourth year, and also the regarding hospital part, the OPD, IPD, the pathological lab, the USG, ECG, that we have to maintain. So by following these guidelines, we have to maintain this college, and this is our duty to maintain this college, and whatever it may be, what may be the principal, either I, myself or anyone, that is the main motto to maintain the college. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, sir, for your answer. My next question to you would be, the education systems in India and other foreign countries are structured very differently. In your experience, what can an inbound student gain from studying here at your institute?
Yes, education system of India and foreign country. One thing is that I think the education system of India is, of course, I admit and I support this education system of the India. That is the from very beginning. Suppose when the age of any offspring 3 to 4 years, that we are choosing the systematic manner of this stream of the sciences. Either we admit in the arts or in the science or commerce. And of course, this will start from this class 11, 12. But the mentality of the student, that also maintained in after 4 to 5 years, either he is maintaining the education or any architect or any football player or any swimming or any other related subject. That is the maintain. I think in the foreign country, they are giving the option to the students that which line you best and which line you choice. But something wrong in the India, that suppose I am the doctor, so I have to think that my son or my daughter should be a doctor. But this system is, I not support it, because we have to know the mentality of these particular children or the boy and girls. And in this way, we are maintaining the system. But sorry to say, in the last 2 years, we are suffering from the corona in the whole world, something lacking. But still, I admit the system of education in India is so far good. And if we go through the details, that so many people from India, they go to the foreign country and they are established themselves and they are highly peak level and they are maintaining their system. So that is also development of the India country, that is system of education. But still, I admit the system of education of the India as well as the foreign country. Thank you.
What do you think should be the institute's top priority over the next 10 years?
So the coming 10 years, the system of the education in my institute, I think the academic environment must maintain systematically, and the education system must maintain systematically. And if we go through the particular system of education, suppose theoretic part, practical part, and as well as research part. So in my college, that we are starting also research in my college, and within the students, they very interested to maintain or to do the research about the so many topics. Suppose in my example, in my scenario, I observed that in case of hookworm infestations, so the public suffering from hookworm infestations, and they are victimized by the anemia and other problems. So if we find out what is the cause of this hookworm infestation and how we can control and how we can save the particular people or any public in community, and this system is going on. And if we go through the research, if we go through the seminar, if we go through the other system, then we can maintain the institution and we can try to implement our institution, not only my institution, all over the India. And gradually we are trying to develop our institution in this way. That is the motto of our institution. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. What do you think are your roles and responsibilities to the college and the students?
Yes, responsibility. Suppose I am giving my own example. Actually, I will come in the morning in the college 8:30 onwards. In 8:30 onwards, when you come in the college, we have to find out how the class is going on, how the students they are maintaining the class, attendance of the students of the class, and we are maintaining in such a way in my college that the teachers they are taking the assessment examination 3 months interval, and after 3 months interval they are taking the examination and they are giving the number of this particular subject and sending one copy in my office. And I'm observing that suppose out of 50 students, how they are developing their number, first, second, third, fourth assessment, that we are maintaining. And if we observe that third assessment or fourth assessment, the one student is gradually declining, so we have to call the students, what is the problem in your education? Tell me clearly. If not sufficient or satisfactory result from the students, we have to inform to the guardian, please come and see your students, why he is not developing the institution. That is one point. And next point, that the assessment report, we are giving the price of the students. Suppose first year complete, we are giving 1 or 2 or 3 prize. So when students, 3 or 4 students, they are getting prize, naturally the other students, they also think that why we are not getting prize. That is the stimulation of the education. And number 4 is that the total status, total examination status, total oral practical based status, all status we have to maintain the college and the hospital. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. What would you like people to know about your institute they may not know?
Pardon, please.
Yeah. What would you like people to know about your institute, what they may not know already?
What they may not already all? Please tell me, I can't understand.
Sure. No problem.
Tell me, please.
Some network issue, yeah. What would you like people to know about your institute that they may not know already?
Yes, institute know everything, and regarding institute, something problem is going on that suppose the notice given by the health university, I think the top of these colleges, and if the university not giving proper notification, and if we not give the proper notification to the college students and the teachers, that is the problem. And number 2, suppose within this period, the corona period, the examination is going on online, not offline. So online examination, that should be maintained systematically. And that online examination, after taking examination, we have to send the mark sheet and marks to the university. That is another problem, another point. And next point is that after notification of the health university or the top of this college, that should notify to the students, notify to the teachers, and notify the non-teaching staffs. Thank you.
Okay. What are some plans that you are currently or will be designing for your students?
Yes, planning already settled. So I think the 2022 onwards, the corona problem is in gradually decline. And from 2022 onwards, we are planning that we are admitting the students, and after admission, we are taking the class and we are taking the examination, the assessment examination. Previously 3 months, now we plan that 1 month interval, the assessment as well as attendance record of the students. Out of 50 students, if you observe that, the only 30 students will come, 20 is not come. So why 20 is not come? Or why 30 students, only the particular students daily come, or the alternate students daily come? That we maintain. Number 2, regarding the academic environment, regarding the education, we also insist to the students for the indoor game. If we based on the only education, something problem in their own mind, so we settle the indoor game of the students, and the students must be cultural and the academic both. If we think only academic is something wrong, so must be cultural and sports and games. That also we maintain. And number 4, the relation in between the students and teacher. That is the main problem. Throughout the India, throughout the world, we know that relation between the students and teachers, that is, I think, something lacking. So that we maintain systematically, because when student came in my college or residing in the hostel or ladies hostel, so the students, either gents or ladies, must know this is my college and this is homely atmosphere, and we are maintaining our study. Any problem, contact with the teacher, and any problem, contact with our seniors, and that is the criteria. And if this system, we go through this system, that is the very upliftment of the institution, and that is the view of our college. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. My last question to you would be, any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
Thank you, madam. Actually, I already one interview already given in the college dunia, I think 2 or 3 months back. And again, I give interview. And this interview, your concern, your organization, the interview when you are giving to the Facebook on other media. So if the common guardians, if the common public, they are observing, they are seeing or hearing the attitude and the motive of this principal of every colleges. So I think the guardians or any other person, they also motivate to admit our college and the upliftment of this academic environment. I thank you for your organization. So you are doing this system, and this is the very good media to propaganda or to advertisement of the different colleges and about the academic environment. So this is the very good. And number 2 is that, one point is that regarding college, I know the college in the West Bengal as well as India, say for 20 years, 30 years, 40 years. So we know in our common belt that we know that the particular college is very good. This college is very bad. So I don't want to be this college is very bad. So all college matters, all school matters, all primary or secondary or college or university should maintain system that all should under the good category, not bad category. And your organization, again, I am giving thanks that you are doing interview, you are taking interview, and you are giving to the Facebook, and common public usually motivate regarding education, and they admit the particular colleges. Thank you, madam.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time. I'm sure a lot of students will get help from this interview. Thank you so much, sir.